In this video, I'm going to show you how you can let or you can set Google Chrome browser to open specific websites or pages or sites each time you open your browser. So I have here quite a number of tabs. You can see we have here quite a number of websites, and I like this website because they are my favorite. I wish that each and every time I just open my browser, these websites goes ahead or these pages goes ahead and opens themselves automatically. Now to do so, just go to settings here using the three dots and then tap on settings. Now under settings, look for the option called on startup. And now here we have three options, and by default it is set to open the new tab, and that is where each time I open my Google Chrome, it just opens a fresh tab, and then I can begin setting up my pages or opening up my favorite pages. However, if you go to the second option, continue where I left, it means that whenever I open Google Chrome, it will automatically open those pages that were previously opened when I closed the tab. However, I like to set specific pages or websites to open each time I just open my Chrome browser. To do that, I'll use the third option, which is open a specific page or set of pages. So if we go this, we shall have an option to add a new page. Alternatively, you can use the current pages if these are the websites or these are the pages that you like to open automatically each and every time you open your browser. Then go ahead and tap on use current pages, and this will go ahead and list all of them. As you can see, they are 4 and they are now listed here. So I'll go ahead and close the Chrome browser and then open it afresh and then see if all those tabs that we said will open automatically. So I'll click on my Chrome browser here, and then the browser will go ahead, and I've been using this, and look at that. Immediately I tapped on it, my favorite pages went on and began to load, and here they are. So that's how you set specific pages or your favorite websites to open each time you open your Chrome browser. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.